see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ang English ko. Miss me. That's my surprise for you. Yan na siya. Nakano na yung kamay niya sa akin. Oh. Good morning guys. Nakaligo na ako. And yung mga boys, si Jan lang pala siya kasi Dan umalis. Kasi nga, di ba yung upuan ni Jan natapunan ng petrol. So, pinaano yun ni Jan. Pumunta sila sa... Ano sa what? Pumunta sila somewhere na para hugasan yung upuan kasi sobrang baho niya talaga. And, bibilhan niya rin si TJ ng tongs. And ako din nagpabili rin ako ng Hawaiian. Sana makahanap sila. Pero tumawag si Dan, tinatanong niya kung anong kulay. Sabi ko white or black. So siguro may nahanap naman sila. What's that?
What are we getting changed for?
What do you mean?
What are we getting changed?
It's another day. Ba't daw ka naman mag-change? Maliligo ka naman mamaya ulit eh. Magsiswimming to. So, tingnan mo. Ayusin niya. Maanis na yung slack sa buhok. Say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, baba. Ano siya? Yan talaga lagi yung inaayos. Buhok niya. Hindi yan lalabas ng bahay na hindi yan ayos. Oh, look. Diba? And makikita niyo naman sa vlog, randomly, na lagi niyang pinifix ang buhok niya. What's that, love? So, magluluto na kami ni Ray ng breakfast. Itago ko lang yung mga gamit ko dito. Okay now? Are you done? Oo daw. Okay? So, yan. Magluto. Okay, go, Baba. Maglagay na akong sunscreen and kilay. Ano, Baba? Come. Okay, come on.
And then... I can't shut the door.
Alright.
You're not allowed to come in here.
Why?
No doubt.
Get out. Okay. Dalaga ng anak ko, guys. Ayaw niya na magpakita. And then sabi niya pa sa akin, why are you vlogging me? Mag-change daw siya. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-skincare, guys. Si Riz nagluluto na siya ng eggs. Kasi nga, tumawag sila, parating na raw sila. So, naglagay na ako ng moisturizer. Tapos na siya sa akin and inuutusan niya ako. What did you say?
You need to brush my bag.
Where's your bag? Why? What do you need?
There's nothing in the car.
Oh, it's in the car kasi pinapakuha niya sa akin yung brush.
What do you enjoy?
Okay, here. Dalaga na siya, guys. Why? I can't. It's alright. All you have to do is to brush your hair. Come on. Kasi may mirror dyan, guys. Oh. Okay, sige na nga. Dalag. Tulungan ko na si Simple Race kasi nandito yung mga boys. And si Zach, tinatanong namin siya kung anong gusto niyang eggs. Yung sunny side up eggs. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya bali eggs. Alam niyo na yung guys, scrambled eggs. Yun ang gusto niya eh. Gawan ko si Zach. Yes, sticky. The fry pan. Andito na sila. Ayan kay Kuya. Is that TJ? Where's mine, hon?
So you want any?
Who's that?
Give me mine na. Thank you. Magkuha sila, Day.
Metal ones for I thought that looked better.
Yeah. Metal one. Magkano yung nabili natin sa ano? Magkano yung nabili natin? Wait, baby. Oo, Uy, Day, magkano? Tingnan nyo. $44.99. Oh, 5 lang nabili namin yung dati dun sa... Ha? This is my what? You know what Zach said? My what car keys?
Is it?
There. So meron tayong chinelas. Mamaya ka na. Gawan ko muna si Zach ng scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Nasaan yung mga bowl nila?
What did you bring this tank for?
Pardon?
I want this off.
Yeah, I forgot. Sorry, I thought I did.
Go breakfast in their room? Or...
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alam mo, pinasama standard na lang.
Diba? Kasi yung magkakain, ayaw naman.
That's a lot of eggs. How much money you want?
That's the kids. That's the last one. And
Okay.
then, yeah.
Okay. Sani. Saan mo nakuha yung kaldero doon? May dala akong bigas.
Maybe still sleeping malala.
I think there's
Sleeping.
That's so cute.
walang rice cooker dito guys. So manual na lang tayo. Old ano tayo? Balik sa sinauna. Kaldero. Ay, it's Yaki de Baba. Story time. What the? What are you doing to my vlog? What happened to you? What the girl did to you? Or what happened? Is it Isha? Oh. What happened? May bukol kasi siya. Oh, oh, did you? No. May bukol kasi siya, guys. Ayan. What happened
Is that
na?
the first time you've been beaten up by a girl?
What happened? Who's girl? Ate Isha?
Tell us the story. We want to hear it.
Come on. Come on. Tell Tito that. Your best friend,
You
right?
hit my girl before as well. Brandon's hit me before.
Yeah, what happened? Tinatakpan niya kayo, guys. Ayun na. What happened? Kinikwento niya kay Ray.
Oh yeah.
What happened? What happened?
Some girl was like that. Then he hit his head into the pole. And she didn't say sorry.
Oh my God. No, you don't punch Kuya. She didn't say sorry to you, sir? What did you do? Did you cry? Did you cry? A little bit. Did Dad knows?
No, that was at the pool.
Where's Dad?
He was at the pool.
And where were you?
We were on the slide.
Oh, water park.
That was yesterday though.
Just be careful next time, Baba, ha? Una niya si John. What are you doing, honey?
Clean the thing.
The seat. I thought you went to the...
No.
Ah!
Not true.
What happened? I thought you went there, hon.
No, we said he'll come here, so we got out till we come back.
Ah, so yung lalaki na, di ba sabi ko umalis sila? Yung lalaki pala ang pupunta dito, tapos dito niya lilinisin. Ayan. Wow.
Just give it a wash.
Di ba? May pa cottage service dyan sa car. So, ayan. Ang baho kasi talaga. Ang instahan niya. A bit cold. Yan ang ginagawa niya. Oh, yung ano niya, yung shorts niya, mayroon pa na mark. Pink kastuhan. Inano niya nga, siniming niya na to para ba kala niya matatanggal. Ni-interrogate si Sakmi dyan kasi nga may bukol talaga siya dito eh.
I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same I felt.
Ay, ayan na. Yes. $5? Oo yan. Habayana? Oo, hindi yan ang pwede mong take price. $4.90. Isauli ko kaya ito. Han! Do you still have the receipt for my Habayana? Kati got one, $5 Habayana. Is it real?
How about the other one? Lagyan natin the story.
Nakabili sikat ng Habayana sa ano?
Big W.
Big W.
Lagyan mo muna
Ay, sorry.
You've got the metal bag.
Yours is expensive.
May jaman.
Nakalagay niya,
May jaman. May jaman din yung akin. Ah, ang mura naman yung car.
Have you had one yet, sir?
Maraming pa dito bacon ha. Ito kay ano po? Kay Mike. Give it to Mike. Ito na yung kay John. Kay John. Ayan, bacon, egg. Bacon and egg. You want, wait, okay? We're cooking still.
Well, here, I'll give you one of these and I'll wait for that.
Okay, alright.
Just watch that. Chew that properly, don't slide on. If you have a line on the glass, and don't get on your shirt, go.
Here, son. Ibigay natin to kay John kasi yung isa niya, binigay niya kay Kuya TJ. Okay, be careful there, ha?
It just smells just
Ayan
full
yung
on.
naglinis ng car.
Yeah.
Pumunta pa talaga siya dito.
But as long as we're not getting it in our pants every time we get out, that's fine.
Thank
breathing
you.
it in. No worries at all. That's fine. Yeah, as long as you
Yeah,
don't
just
breathe
hang.
it in.
Alright.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Andito
You know the
sila,
pub
oh.
is there?
Good morning, neighbor.
Just try.
Just try.
Yeah, hold on to it.
Yeah, we went there
Just
last
try.
night.
Come on.
Bala kayong dalawa dyan. See ya. Bye, Baba. Bye. Nasunog yung rice, guys. And hinuhugasan ko. Kasi, kunti lang yung nakuha namin kanin. Kasi nga, nasunog. Wala kaming rice cooker na dala. Sisakpan naman kanina pa. Umiiyak si Holly, guys. Hinuhugasan ko nga ng suwi. Nahulog siya sa bike.
Your back? Your butt? Your butt? Or your bike?
Ayan yung nasayang na kanin.
Bike is fine.
Ayan siya, oh. Nahulog daw siya. You alright na, Baba? Is that the Bali eggs? Tita Riz like it. Huh? Is it too much? Tita Riz is helping you. Is it masarap? Malasa, Day? Malasa? Nagluto na kami ng danggit. Nag-react yung boys. Sarap? Di na vlog na. Si Riz nakuha yung nagkagulo dito, guys. Kasi grabe siya. Grabe siya.
Tinulungan mo ko. Sabi niya, uy, ano naman gagawin ko doon?
Hindi niya naman kaya. Yung mga niluto namin nandoon na, oh. Andun na yung mga niluto namin, guys. Kasi grabe. Nagsisigaw na yung ano, yung alarm. Hindi. Hindi kami. Paypay ng paypay. Naka-on pa siya. Kaya usok ng usok.
Sabi nga ni Mark, hindi, usok ba na? Dami ka usok.
Nagkagulo dito. Nagluto kami ng daing kasi. Ayan. Ayaw niya sa akin lumapit kasi pinagalitan ko siya. Nagkaroon siyang konting sugat. Nahulog daw sa bike. Kaya sa daddy niya siya. Oh. Where's the sunscreen? Kaya na tayo, guys. Mayroon kaming, ito yung nagpawawang sa, ano namin sa, ano ba to, sa cottage. Ito yung danggit ni Kati. Hindi niya na naubos kasi nandyan na siya nagpapaypay.
Pa tayo dito.
Nagkagulo. Kain, guys. Nilak namin, guys, kasi baka, ayan, may nag-ano, anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag? Jets? No, hindi. Boat?
Ski na daw po.
Hindi namin alam. Punta kami sa my water park / swimming pool. Mag-ano kami? Baka mag-biking. Hindi pa namin sure kung saan na available lahat.
Available yan.
Available? Parang,
Yung single baka mura na.
oo. So, doon kami.
Marami na.
Bike. Sino kayo mauuna? Sila yung nagsapatos. Kami naka-chinelas. Sapatos sila kasi mas mabilis daw pala ito paunahan.
Competition pala.
Competition pala ito.
Marathon pala ito ng bike.
Marathon. Ay, ang ganda ng weather, no? Ang dami, guys, na boat. Oh. Ayan na sila dito sa water park. Nandun nakaupo. Yeah. Hinihintay nila. Ang saya niya. See you, Kuya. Hi, Han. Hi, my love. Siyang bantay ng mga bata. Yeah, it's cold. Tommy said the water is cold. Freezing. Wala.
It's not about to get it hotter. Like this afternoon better.
Okay. Later.
When you go bike riding, you'll be ready to swim.
Swim. Okay. Kasi mainit.
If you ever get to go bike riding.
Yeah, we will. We're just waiting for Neil. Yeah, we will. Hi, Kuya. Because si Veronica, Kari is watching Veronica. Kasi si Veronica, hindi siya lumalapit kung kanino. And ayaw niya na mag-swimming na wala siyang kasama. Dapat kasama sila. Yes, ah? Did you? Okay. Good job. Where's Zachary? Andun si Zachary. Kay Tito Dan. Kulitan na naman silang dalawa. Ah? Race! Race!
Dive!
Dive daw. Mag-dive daw si Sa... Nawi. Baba! Are you having fun? It's so cold? Huh? That one is warm? Ah, kasi yan yung spa. Mas warm to. Go, Baba! Touch it. Wow, yes, it's warm. That's good. Wow, Baba. Hindi siya natatakot. Oh. Silang, di ba? Ang ganda ng float. Si Veronica ayaw. Sayang, Kat. Sana silang tatlo, oh. Ayaw ni Veronica. Go, Baba. Sidan na lang siya kasi Sat.
What are those dogs?
I know.
How's that?
Ano yung pinagagawa ng dalawa? Jump, Baba! Go! No running, Baba. No running. No, okay, jump. Go, okay. Good girl! Ano ka lang ulit siya? Kaya mag-isa. Dito na si Neil, guys. So, siguro matutuloy na yung biking namin. Okay na? Tagalang hintay natin, ah. Sa ano kami ngayon? Hintay of the day. Wow, andyan na siya, oh. Saya niya na. Binalot niya ka na.
Where'd you get the tape from?
The tape, wide bar from the birthday gift.
Do you have cut the hand? Here, Nay! Wala akong ano cash. Wala rin akong cash. $30 per hour, I think. Ama? $30 per hour, I think. Mahal naman. Hindi ko sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Say hi to me. Hi. Hi. Okay. Totoo na to, guys. Kompleto na kami. Akala namin naubusan na kami. Ay, tama. 4. 5 pala tayo. Ayan, ah. Merong ano, single. Tapos meron dalawahan. Mataas yung ano, guys. Mataas yung bike. Ayan, oh. Gusto mo i-vlog? Hindi naman tayo matutumbad dahil. Anong pinaglalaban mo? Tinitingnan lang kung maabot namin yung ground.
Pinilit pero hindi naabot.
Kasya? Pupunta talaga sa mukha. Okay.
Hindi natin abot yung
Magkano to?
Kaya tanong natin sa
Magkano ba? Wala naman dito agad. Ano gagawin natin? Hindi na naman tayo magbaba.
So yan na nga ba ang sinasabi, guys. Plano-plano, hindi pala nila maabot. O ayun na.
Yung ito? O, paano ako? Solo ako.
Kasi ang taas namin.
Pampal ako, manood na lang ako.
Hindi mag-bike ang
Sila
Kaya mo ba
partner.
yan?
Hindi ko rin alam. Nilalakasan ko lang yung loob ko na kaya ko. Ayan, may maliit to.
Hindi naman
Saan pa? Wala naman.
kanila yan.
Sa kanila yan. May nakita nakita kaming maliit.
Sa likod sa
May maliit.
Nakatry ka na ba ng ganito? Parang mahirap naman.
Diba? Kanina naghihintay kami kasi magaling siya para mag-bike. Andito na kami. Kayo naman nahihirapan kung anong bike yung gagamitin kasi matataas yung upuan, guys. Kaya nga, ito na lang, tara. Samahan niyo ako dito.
Sige, kayo na lang. Dito na lang nga kami. Ituloy niyo na yung gusto ni Manang.
Yun na lang nga sa atin, Lodi.
Yan na lang. Yan na lang, ano?
Ayaw, Manay. Ito na lang kami.
Ay, grabe sila. May rent? O, meron ditong mas maliit na pinaparent. Ito pala, mas maliit. Tanong tayo kung magkano yung rent. Ayan. Pwede. Pwede yan, Ray. Guys, nalibre ako sa bike. $5 sa akin sa kanila.
Imbis na. Nakaluwag na tayo sa kumuli na. Ano tayo?
Kasi kanyang gagamitin.
Separate. So, the fine is this one, and then one by them.
Ang taas na. Naka-elevate yung helmet ko. Naka-elevate siya dahil sa aking van. Ayan na yung bike namin. Isinauli na namin. May 30 minutes pa kami pero masakit na siya sa alam nyo na yun. Okay na kami. Okay na kami, guys. Naibalik na namin yung aming mga bisikleta. Thank you. Okay. Ang init. Masarap mag-ice cream, no? Mag-ice cream tayo.
Saan tayo?
Hoy, magla-lunch daw sila sa bakery.
Kaya nga saan niyo gusto pumunta?
Ewan ko.
Nagugutom ba kayo?
Oo, tara. Dito na kami sa cabin namin, guys. And itry namin to. Ito ba, yung sabi mong mix? Meron silang bago sa Coles. Mash-up. Oo.
Ay, Pilipino naman yung iniisip ko. Nova, Piatos, mga ganun.
Mix talaga. Hindi ko pa yun na-try. Okay. My gosh. So, itry natin to. Sa haba ng aming couch, ang lalayo namin sa isa't isa. Ayan yung laman niya, guys. Meron siyang Twisties, Doritos, Cheetos. Tatlo pala siya. Lahat siya cheese. Yung mga bata, kasama ni Jan, umalis din sila. Sumama sila sa boys. Pumunta sila ng bakery para mag-lunch. Kami lang mga girls. Si Veronica andyan pala. Si Neil ba sumama? Sumama si Neil. Si Neil sumama din. Dito na sila, guys. Ang dami nila. Wow, nag-shopping sila. Rice cooker. Hi, Nak. Can I? I love you. My sweet is good. Huh? Frozen one? This is for me? Thank you. Yeah, you want that? What do you want? Nothing.
Ay, walang bakery.
Hindi sila sarado daw yung bakery. It's Saturday. Yes.
I'm going back to school.
Okay, wait for Daddy. Okay? Where's Daddy?
Is Ate Isha going?
Huh?
Where's Ate Isha?
I
going with you?
don't know where is she though?
I don't know. Where's Daddy? Where's Holly? Where's Holly?
She's here.
Where's my Holly? Where are you? Hi! Where did you go? Is that mine, honey? Thank you. Baba!
Yeah.
Yeah. This mine? Holly? Hi, Baba! Is this yours? Can I have this? Dami ko ng Tamis. Ito meron tayong popcorn chicken. Balik na naman sila sa pool. Gusto niya siya maglagay. Okay. That's not ocean, that's lake.
It's not a lake, it's a river.
Are you done? Your ears. Okay, your neck. And your back.
June is Neil's birthday. Is that right? May. Veronica. Yours is May.
May.
Yeah, Veronica's June. May ganap na naman.
Okay.
September siya. And Christina's wedding.
May. Oo.
Punta ka ko ba?
Saan sa May?
it.
Why?
And it makes babies.
What? The floats?
Yeah.
Okay, where is it?
It's right there. It's a pom pom.
Oh, it's in Pumpal.
Wait, put it on again. Then let's go now.
Dad, let's go.
I'm going now. Daddy, let's go. Daddy, let's go.
Daddy wants to sleep, Baba. We're gonna cook, honey.
What time is it?
It's not my turn. I'm gonna cook. We're gonna cook.
You're gonna cook.
You're gonna go with Kuya. Bili ako ng soft ice cream. Ayan. Wala. Ano yata? Kasya. Pwedeng card? Wala siyang card, guys.
Wala akong cash.
Cash pala siya.
Merong ice cream sa labas, guys.
Cash.
Dito may cash?
Cash.
Magkano ba?
550. Kumuha ko ng cash. Bili tayong ice cream. Ayan, dami ng tao tuloy. What do you want, Baba? This one? Which one? That one. Okay. That's one, Baba. It's not pink. And can I have? I'm not sure. Sprinkle, please.
Which one do you want? Really, come point to us.
Babi.
Ang sarap, Baba. Can I have a bite?
Yeah.
Sarap! Bago yung isip ko, masarap yung binili ni ano ni...
Thank you.
Ito yung sa akin, Sherbet. Sherbet. Ang arte-arte ng pangalan nitong cut.
Kaya nga, sherbet.
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 Sabi ko, ano yung sherbet? Sherbet eh? Ang sarap. Sarap. Maasim-asim.
Maasim-asim.
Ito naman, ayun na naman ito.
Ayaw na.
Sarap! Ayun na talaga ito.
Tamis pala. Ayun.
Tamis sarap. Ito yung aking guys, linagyan ko ng pipino. Yung iba, merong ano. Sarap! Sarap siya, oh.
Sarap. Ikaw kasi.
May pipino.
Sarap.
Yung iba, linalagay chocolate. Sa akin, pipino para balance.
Healthy daw. Kunyaring healthy. Gawa-gawa.
Gawa-gawa lang. Para masaya.
Sige yung mga anak mo.
Bumili sila ng Moscato. Tapos, Jim Beam. Oh, 3 Moscato binili.
Got some for John.
For John. Jim Beam. Yan ang iniinom ni John.
He loves Jim.
Yeah. Dito na sila. So, come here. Your eyes are red. Where's Holly and Daddy? Okay. Oh, okay. Pangits kami, guys. Ayan, oh.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could.
Tapos na kami mag-tong-its. Magluluto na kami. Magbabarbecue na kami,
Ilipat yung
guys.
rice dito.
Zach,
Yung isa pa?
so you're all cooking on the barbecue spot.
Go, Baba. Iti-check ni...
Take scooter.
Ni Sak kung
Alright.
maraming nagluluto dun sa common kitchen. Kasi tea time na, maraming nang nagluluto siguro. So, check muna ni Sak. Okay, 1 round tayo. Magtong-its ulit kami.
Nasaan yung
Ito yung balita ni Sak. What? One more?
There's one empty one.
Yeah.
We should go now.
Okay, we should go. Wait lang. Wala kami, guys. Dito kami magbabarbecue. Dito sa common kitchen. Ayan. Ayan, may ref din sila. Ilagay muna yung hindi pa natin lulutuin. May ref sila dun, guys. Oh. Kailangan pala namin ng oil. Utusan natin si Zach. Zach, can you go back to our room and ask Daddy to give you the oil, please? We need oil. Thank you. Ayan na si Zach. Ayan ang kanyang service. Oh. Thanks, Zach. Thank you. Bumalik ako sa cabin kasi kumuha ako ng paper towel tapos lalagyan ng barbecue. Doon kami sa kabila. Andun yung mga boys. Dito kami sa kabila.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running.
Tapos na kayo magluto and kailangan yan linisin bago kayo umalis. Pagkatapos yung magluto. So, si Dan na lang daw maglilinis. Thank you, Dan. And eto pa, meron pa dito. Oh. Ito yung sa mga boys. Ayan, sausages and burgers and chops. And meron pa kami dyan, oh. Bye! Dali na namin to dun sa cabin. Dito na kami, guys. And si Jan. What did you do, Han? And? Yeah, pinatay niya lahat ng langaw. Tapos naglinis siya, oh. Yun daw yung kanyang contribution. Kasi yung mga boys yung nagluto ng barbecue. Sa mga bata na ito po, Mark.
Kata kami ito, be.
Wash your hands, please.
Sausage.
Please, okay.
In the bread too.
Ah! You don't like rice?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Put a sausage. Sausage. With the bread. With rice.
With rice? This one or this one? This one?
No, this
That one? Okay.
Labas natin dito lang.
Ayan si Kuya. Ayan yung kay Sakari. Ano, do you want rice? No? Oh, okay, yeah. Yun lang sa kanya. Ayaw niya raw mag-rice. Yung mga bata dito sa labas, oh. Ayan, oh, si Kuya. Naka-rice si Kuya. Ayan si Holly and Veronica and Aliyah. Hi, Baba. Si Sak, ano siya? Sausage and bread lang sa kanya. And eto yung sa girls.
Kain na tayo.
Kain tayo. Eto na, kinat ni Ray's yung aming pork. Mayroon kaming talong, pritong talong, tapos sausawan. Ayan.
Kain na. Salmon
And eto, ginatang salmon. Rice. Kain, guys. Si Kuya, gusto niya pa ng kanin. Very good, Kuya. Okay. Do you want more pork? Or, more? Mag-cut ako ng pork para kay Kuya.
Give me any.
And this one? You're right? Huh? Good? You're welcome. Ayan sila, guys. Oh. Sarap ng kainan namin dito, guys. Kamayan. Andun yung mga boys, guys. Oo. Ano, kaya nyo yan. Nalak sila. Oh, dito sila. Ako na. Aya. Dito sila, guys. Ayan sila. Sausage and burgers and bread lang sila. What do you want? Plates. Guys, dito kami sa cabin ni Kathy. Minom na kami ng muscat. Ito akin. Ay, no. Ito kay Ray.
Sabi ko na, Barbie.
May pa-popcorn si Mark. Oh. May ano, tumabi na si Holly. Kasi may popcorn.
Yeah!
Binili ko yan.
Thank you very much.
Masarap na klase yan.
Ang bango.
Salt and sweet. Yan ang gusto nila. Salt and sweet. Butter, careful. Hindi mo, ang bango. Parang caramel.
Ayaw mo na ganyan.
Gusto niya. Hindi, salty. Popcorn.
Relationship.
Ang mga upcoming artists sila. Oh. Kuya?
Hi.
Say hi. Gusto niya ng popcorn. Pangalawang popcorn na namin to. Andito naman si Holly.
Sa kabila, dahil sa kabila. Bakit ka mag-ano?
So red. Ano na daw si Sak na movie?
Oo, magre-renew na nga siya. Hindi ko naman nagamit.
Say hi.
Wait lang.
Say hi. Papa mo, Kuya. You're so red, Kuya. Look at your eyes here. No? Here, look. Here. This one. Oh, see? That one. Mayroon ba doon? Yung mga bata, ayun, oh. Si Holly ang nagbabike, tapos yung dalawa hinahabol siya, oh. Baka makopyright tayo dyan sa pa-music ni Kathy. And then, nandun yung mga boys. Doon din sila nag-jam-jamming.
Supportive yung mga ano.
Nagpabango to, guys. Itong dalawa nagpabango. Ay na.
Boys, I've just chipped my pocket. I can't do it. There's no money in there.
Magpapalit din siya. Kasi
Ay, magpapalit din siya. Hala, magpupulo yan. Magpapalit din siya.
Sino na yung iba?
She was a pretty one, babe.
Ang bababae sila.
Kiss mo ako.
Sige na, hindi ako alis yun.
Ikaw pa rin ang bibi ko! Ang bibi ko!
Kiss mo na!
It's okay. Come on, it's
Bye, Jan. Bye, Danny Boy. Walang kwenta tong sawa.
Hindi siya
Wala akong goodbye.
Wala siya goodbye kiss.
Oh, hey,
Sino na?
What?
Today's February the 29th, right?
Today! Ay, 29, yes.
Yeah, it's gay man's night.
Okay.
Ano? Wala ka na bunot? So wala kang diamond. Kukunin mo lahat.
Oy,
Kukunin mo yung
siya.
nauna sa'yo. Ito.
Nagpunta na ako, tapos si Clyra na, tapos
Yun na,
yun na nagbigay na siya sa imo ha.
Ha?
Ang tagal
Ano yung
naman
sa'yo?
din.
Ano yung
Jack.
Jack na ulit? Diamond ulit?
Grace.
Ah, si Yes! Ah! Okay, go now.
What's that?
Word power. Bye! Enjoy! Hindi siya na goodbye. Nangiinis siya no.
Akala ko, papalinga. Kiss.
Wow, kiss-kiss.
Laro kami guys. Anong tawag mo dito?
Kalgaburo.
Kalgaburo.
Kalgaburo. Hindi ba basta kalgaburo?
Basta, kung ano yung nandito, dapat ganun din yung itatapon namin. Tapos pag wala ka, magbubunot daw hanggang dumami ang cards mo. Guys, nakalimutan ko kayo. Pasensya na yung mukha ko kasi nakapag-skincare na ako. So, yun na yung vlog for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Bye.
Lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.